Every mug starts here, not as production, but as a promise. At BestSub, we specialize in the integrated manufacturing of sublimation ceramic mugs for global markets. Each production facility is built with streamlined workflows and clearly defined zones, ensuring peak efficiency and dependable product quality. From raw materials to the finished mug, every step is guided by advanced automation. Automation isn't just fast, it's accurate, uniform, and repeatable, greatly improving the success rate of heat transfers. Robust production capacity guarantees predictable lead times and a steady global supply. Each step is monitored and optimized. From our floors to your shelves, every order reaches wholesalers, stores, and pod businesses on time, every time. Through integrated production, intelligent automation, and standardized systems, BestSub delivers more than mugs. We deliver reliability, performance, and solutions that help your business thrive.